Looking up car amplifier wiring kits feels like stepping into a parallel universe. Every box looks the same red and black cables, same claims about premium and complete. But here's the thing, not all wiring kits are built the same, and the real difference isn't in the pictures. It's in the details you don't see until you're knee-deep in installation.
Product number 1, DS18 AK4 4-gauge kit. First up, the DS18 AK4, a 4-gauge complete wiring kit that's been flying off the shelves with over 2,000 units sold in the past month. At $32.75, it sits right in the sweet spot for price and performance. If you're running a single amplifier up to 1,200 watts, this kit gives you everything you need in one box. No running back to the store for missing parts. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 17-foot 4-gauge power cable and matching ground wire are thick enough to handle high current without voltage drop, which means your amp gets clean, consistent power. The included ANL fuse holder with an 80-amp fuse protects your system from surges, crucial if you're pushing serious bass. Plus, the 2-channel shielded RCA cable reduces interference, so your music stays crisp, not fuzzy. The Superflex CCA wires are easier to route through tight spaces, and the split loom tubing keeps everything neat and protected. Now, some people complained about the copper-clad aluminum construction instead of pure copper. Here's the thing though, CCA is lighter and cheaper, and for systems under 1,200 watts, it performs just fine. Pure copper is better for extreme setups, but for most daily drivers, this won't hold you back. This is perfect for you if you're installing a mid-power subwoofer or amp in your car and want a reliable all-in-one kit without overspending. Skip this one if you're building a competition-level system pushing 2,000 plus watts. You'll want pure copper then. For the price and included accessories, it's a solid value.
Product number 2, Boss Audio Kit 2 8-gauge. Next, the Boss Audio Systems Kit 2, an 8-gauge kit priced at $31.54, making it one of the most budget-friendly options here. With over 1,000 sold recently, it's clearly popular among entry-level users. If you're adding a small amp to power your speakers or a modest sub, this kit gets the job done without breaking the bank. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 20-foot 8-gauge power cable is long enough for most sedan and SUV installations, and the included fuse holder adds basic protection. The 30 feet of 16-gauge speaker wire gives you flexibility for routing to rear speakers or a sub. The tangle-free design and included wire ties help keep your setup clean, a small but real win when you're crawling under your dash. Now, some people complained about the thinner gauge. 8-gauge isn't ideal for high wattage amps. Here's the thing though, if you're running under 600 watts, it's perfectly adequate. The real issue is the lack of a high quality fuse. The basic fuse holder feels flimsy compared to ANL types. Still, for a budget-friendly upgrade, it's hard to beat. This is perfect for you if you're on a tight budget and just need to wire a small amp for better sound. Skip this one if you're planning to upgrade to a more powerful system later. You'll outgrow it fast. For under $32, it's a decent starter kit. Product number 3, Scar Audio 4-gauge CCA kit. Now, if the Boss kit felt too basic, the Scar Audio 4-gauge CCA kit steps up the game. Though price isn't listed, it's typically around $35–40, and with 1,000 plus sold, it's a favorite among bass lovers. If you're installing a system up to 1,200 watts, this kit offers serious value with Scar's reputation for performance. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 17-foot 4-gauge MaxFlex power cable is designed for easy bending and routing, even in tight engine bays. The 100-amp ANL fuse provides better protection than standard fuses, important when your amp draws heavy current. The 20 feet of 16-gauge speaker wire and included terminals mean you can wire multiple speakers without splicing. Plus, the blue and brown color coding makes polarity easy to track. Now, some people complained about the CCA wires not being pure copper. Here's the thing though, for most street systems, CCA performs nearly as well, and the flexibility and cost savings are worth it. Just don't expect competition-grade conductivity.
This is perfect for you if you're building a solid mid-range system and want SCAR's trusted name without paying premium prices. Skip this one if you're chasing maximum efficiency or running a dual amp setup. For the performance and included extras, it's a smart pick.
Product number 4, SCAR Audio 8-gauge CCA kit. Alright, that was a solid 4-gauge option, but if you're working with a smaller amp, say under 600 watts, the SCAR Audio 8-gauge kit is a leaner, lighter alternative. Also from SCAR, this one's built for efficiency over brute power, and it's another 1,000+ seller. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 17-foot 8-gauge power cable is more than enough for compact systems, and the mini A&L fuse holder with a 60-amp fuse offers reliable protection without bulk. The 20 feet of 18-gauge speaker wire is thinner, but sufficient for smaller speakers or short runs. It's ideal if you're upgrading factory speakers with a modest amp. Now, some people complained about the smaller fuse and thinner wires limiting future upgrades. Here's the thing though, if you're not planning to go big, this kit saves space and cost. It's not future-proof, but it's perfect for what it's designed for. This is perfect for you if you're adding a small amp to enhance sound quality without going full bass monster. Skip this one if you think you might upgrade your system later, you'll need to rewire. For compact setups, it's a clean, no-frills solution. Product number 5, Boss Audio Kit 10 4-gauge. Finally, the Boss Audio Systems Kit 10, a step up from their Kit 2, priced at $44.16. With only 300+ sold, it's less popular, but packs premium touches. If you want better connectors and a more polished install, this one's worth the extra cost. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The gold-plated AGU fuse and fuse holder offer better conductivity and corrosion resistance than standard fuses. The 5/16 and 1/4-inch gold-plated ring terminals ensure solid connections at the battery and amp, no loose wires or voltage loss. The 17-foot high-performance RCA cable is braided for durability, and the 6-foot split loom keeps wires protected. Now, some people complained about the higher price compared to DS18 or SCAR. Here's the thing though, you're paying for better materials and finish, not raw power. If appearance and longevity matter, it's justified. This is perfect for you if you want a clean, professional-looking install with upgraded connectors. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or don't care about gold plating. For the build quality, it's a worthwhile investment. So which one should you pick? The DS18AK4 is the best all-around value for 1,200-watt systems. The Boss Kit 2 is great for tight budgets and small amps. SCAR's 4-gauge kit offers performance and flexibility, while their 8-gauge version suits compact setups. And if you want premium finishes, the Boss Kit 10 delivers. Choose based on your amp size and future plans, not just the price tag.